Platforms on scaffolding structures are generally formed using a type of board, which are placed along the length of the scaffold lift. They are supported at centers which are determined by the scaffolding board type or scaffold panel. Scaffold boards made from steel are very durable. Scaffolding system for the industrial, commercial and residential markets are designed and manufactured to meet all scaffolding industry standards. Using the Scaffold Walk Board can help ensure workers' safety. Also secure empty place to facilitate carrying materials into place where workers can frequently. You call them scaffold walk boards, scaffold stage boards or scaffold planks. You can count on DSS for safe, durable, and long-lasting scaffold products. A wide variety of walkboard scaffolding sheet roll forming machine options are available to you, such as steel, colored steel, and colored glazed steel. Keeping in mind the modern trends and latest technology used, we are engrossed in manufacturing, exporting and supplying a wide gamut of quality-assured steel scaffolding walk board roll forming machine. Our provided scaffolding plank roll forming machine can be used in industrial purposes. Our offered Scaffolding Board Steel roll forming machine is made available to the clients at market-leading prices. Scaffolding system for the industrial, commercial and residential markets are designed and manufactured to meet all scaffolding industry standards. LOTOSFORMING scaffolding roll forming machine is specifically designed for rolling scaffolding board steel. We are indulged in the manufacturing and exporting of automatic scaffold panel machine. Our roll forming machines are manufactured to ensure the highest quality. Scaffolding Board Steel roll forming machine is used for producing scaffold walk board. Our scaffolding roll forming machine features strength and automation. In our services, we support the equipment and profiles that customers really need, including our most sincere recommends. LOTOS Company is committed to increasing its presence in the world of roll form machines, and it is working to improve its metal roll former sales network. LOTOS roll forming machinery manufacturing is one of professional scaffolding machine factory in China. We can supply different kinds of roll forming machines for different scaffolding board steel. If you have yourself scaffolding walk board design, show us your design drawing. The good suggestion can be given out by our engineer. We offering you to an outstanding quality range of scaffold deck floorboard roll forming machine. We are exporting of walk board scaffolding sheet roll forming machine. Welcome to buy scaffolding walk board roll forming machine. LOTOS Forming is one of the leading and professional manufacturers roll forming machine.